a video. We're just cruising around, maybe seeing if there's something to do, and we might go to the store maybe, or yeah, the store may be good, or yeah, I don't know. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of high winds and it's raining. I wonder why. It's probably nothing. Definitely is kind of windy. Let's see what we have in here. Donut should work. I'm pretty hungry. Honey, hold on, I'm driving. Let me pull over. Yeah. Well, excuse me. I think there's maybe a thunderstorm because it seems like it. Honey, you didn't just have to stop for you to just tell me that. Okay, I'm sorry. But I was thinking we can maybe go to a theme park. Honey, you just said that there's gonna be a thunderstorm out. Oh, right. Well, we can go to the movie. We can go to the movies. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, I'm the driver. Okay. 5 minutes later. Kids, we're here. Yay, where are we? The movie theater. That theater? Okay. Why are you guys making yucky faces? The movie theater is so disgusting. You have not been there because it's so disgusting. We never go there anymore. We have to now. Okay, well, let's just get it over with, okay? Or we can go to see Moana 2. Yay, that one, movies. I've been dying to see that movie. Same. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Inside. But don't take me if we're gonna get sick in there. Okay, we're pulling up on the driveway. Everybody seated? Yeah. Let's see. Sit down. Okay. Guys, we're here. Okay, no, okay. I think we're gonna end the video here. You should not be subscribed if you like the video. And the lights are still not on. Oh my gosh, 2 of them just came on. More of them are gonna come on. But thank you guys. Subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video. Oh no, I think it's an aftershock. Whoa! Get under the table.
I'm a baddie, so I know them other bitches ain't impressing you. And I've been a baddie since a younger nigga, this ain't nothing new. Why these niggas in my face? Oh, because I'm rich and my money blue. I don't care what niggas say, cause I'm really paid, I'm untouchable. Making bitches wanna hate, she see me and she get uncomfortable. Make a nigga wanna play, say I'm pretty and sexy, I'm munchable.